Chapter 1. Chevrolet Caprice 1970 454, The Birth of a Legend. The 1970 Chevrolet Caprice stands at the pinnacle of full-size sedans and sets the tone for an entire generation of road-going culture. A long hood, a bold grille, and smoothly flowing body lines create an image that is both modern and nostalgically sculpted for the era of big American sedans. The design was built on principles of solidity, simplicity, and proportion. Large overall dimensions, broad shoulders, and harmonious lines that convey reliability and the owner's status. The Caprice offers drivers and passengers a sense of home on wheels, a space where city hustle can be forgotten and the road can be concentrated on. Under the hood roars a 7.4-liter V8, known as the 454 turbojet, which immediately sets the tempo and character of the ride. Base power around 345 horsepower could rise in versions with extra packages and exhaust tuning, turning a simple trip into a small automotive show on wheels. The interior blends wood, leather, and rich audio solutions. Selected materials emphasize premium status and create an atmosphere where 7 people can travel comfortably without fatigue. A spacious trunk, ergonomically supportive seats, sound insulation, and climate control. All this makes the 1970 Caprice a practical home on wheels for family trips across American roads. Culturally, the car becomes a symbol of freedom and status. Oceanside road trips, overnight stays at motels, and stops at gas stations form the image of Caprice as an integral part of the road talk of that era. Advertising campaigns of the period emphasized not only power metrics but also possibilities, a place to pack an entire life, and a path to new experiences. Chapter 2. The Heart Under the Hood. The 454 turbojet engine, the heart of the Caprice and a power plant emblematic of its era. With a displacement of 7.4 liters, it delivered impressive torque and acceleration for a full-size sedan. Once started, the engine sang a deep, steady tune that accompanied every mile on long journeys. The iron block with an aluminum head combined strength with relatively low weight for its class. The quadrajet carburetor provided smooth fuel delivery and adaptability to varying conditions, from cold mornings in New York to hot noons in Florida. The exhaust system varied by trim, leading to noticeable differences in sound and power. The turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmission with 3 gears kept movement smooth and confident on long highways. Manual variants allowed the driver to feel a direct connection with power and RPM ranges. Real-world trips demonstrated confident low to mid-range torque, with a 0 to 100 km per hour time around 8 seconds, respectable for the weight and dimensions of the era. The cooling and oil systems were designed for heat and long loads, crucial for cross-country trips across the Midwest and South. In sum, the engine forged Caprice's reputation as a powerful partner on the road to adventure. Chapter 3. The Roads of America. The Caprice of 1970 becomes more than just a car. It's a stage for the American road. Long routes between the Great Lakes and the Gulf Coast of Mexico transform into an epic of mobility. Passengers stretch their legs, listen to the steady rumble of the V8, and admire the spacious interior. Independent front suspension with coil springs cushions irregularities, delivering comfort even on rough surfaces. Long-distance handling and stability come from the long wheelbase and balanced weight distribution. In city driving, the smoothness and minimal body roll are prized. The Caprice maintains confidence at speed. In hot climates, Effective ventilation and cabin air conditioning are essential for comfortable long trips through Florida, Texas, or Arizona. Advertising and journalism of the era highlighted the blend of homey comfort with driver prestige on the road. Body styles included sedan, hardtop, and wagon, expanding the audience, families, business people, and those seeking versatility and status simultaneously. Chapter 4. Technical Evolution. Caprice 1970. Suspension. A combination of independent front suspension with double wishbones and a robust rear axle, delivering a smooth ride and confident high-speed behavior. The braking system includes disc brakes up front and drum brakes at the rear, complemented by power steering for easier control when fully loaded. The fuel tank capacity of about 80 to 90 liters ensures a substantial driving range, important for cross-state journeys and long trips with few refueling stops. Transmission options ranged from the smooth turbo-hydromatic 400 to rare manual variants, allowing a driving style from calm cruising to more active power and RPM management. Exterior styling, chrome bumpers, and vinyl trim emphasize the model's prestigious aura. The base price started in the several $1,000s range, making Caprice a notable choice for the middle class seeking a blend of practicality and premium image. Chapter 5. The Symbol of an Era. By 1970, Caprice 454 becomes the apex of the era of powerful full-size sedans. After 1970, regulatory changes and power downgrades in later generations altered the car's character, but this year solidified Caprice as a significant element of automotive culture. The Caprice image often appears in film and media as a symbol of freedom on wide highways and horizons beyond. Modern collectors prize 1970 models for historical significance and unique configurations, becoming objects of interest at auctions and shows. Their value varies depending on condition, originality, and rare option. Chapter 6. The 1970 Caprice remains a symbol of the era of free roads and family adventures, where the car transformed into a mobile home and a center of comfort for long journeys across American landscapes. Its legacy lives on in restyled projects and nostalgic memories of those who recall the stark beauty of the full-size American sedan and its ability to combine automotive passion, family travel, and the road spirit into one.